What if I told you that in one single day, I created not one, not two, but 5 digital products, and within hours, people started buying them? Sounds insane, right? But stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, the tools I used, and the results that might just make you rethink what's possible in a single day. And I promise you don't need to be a tech genius, designer, or marketing wizard to do the same. This is the kind of strategy that anyone can follow and start earning real money immediately. Digital products are exploding right now. From Notion templates to ebooks, planners, and even simple PDFs, people are willing to pay for solutions that save them time, stress, or confusion. The best part? You can create them once and sell them forever. No inventory, no shipping, no messy logistics, just pure, scalable, passive income. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people overcomplicate it. They think they need months of designing, coding, or marketing experience to make a single product. They're completely wrong. I built 5 products in a single day, and each one was ready to sell by nightfall. The first step is brainstorming ideas that people actually want to buy. Don't make something because you think it's cool. Make something that solves a problem. I start by looking at niches I know. Productivity dashboards, content planning templates, Notion or Canva templates, planners, or even simple spreadsheets that help people get organized. Then I check demand. Etsy, Gumroad, and Google Trends are perfect tools for this. I can see what's already selling, what people are searching for, and more importantly, what's missing. Even if a product already exists, there's always a way to make it better, faster, or more specialized. Niche solves everything. Once I had my product ideas, I jumped straight into fast creation tools. Canva, Notion, and Figma became my secret weapons. Canva for visuals, Figma for layout and design tweaks, and Notion for dashboards and organization tools. The goal is speed. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be functional, visually appealing, and ready to sell. Perfection kills momentum. If I had waited for a perfect design, none of those 5 products would have existed. You just need to start, finish, and learn from what sells. Next is actually making the products. I treat each product like a mini project. Step 1, outline the core value. What problem does this solve? Step 2, design. For example, one product was a Notion productivity dashboard. I didn't overthink it. I made it simple, clean, and intuitive. Another product was a social media content calendar template, which lets people plan posts, track engagement, and schedule content in one place. Each product took roughly 2 to 3 hours from idea to final export. The key here is focus and no distractions. When you commit to creating in a single day, you can produce multiple products without burning out. With the products ready, it's time for presentation and selling. This is where most people fail. They create something amazing but can't sell it. I set all 5 products up on Gumroad and Etsy in a single afternoon. Each listing included clear screenshots, GIFs, and a short demo video. The description focused on benefits, not features. People don't buy products, they buy the outcome. Saying, "This template will save you 10 hours per week," is way more persuasive than, "This template has tables and toggles." Psychology matters more than complexity. Marketing was surprisingly simple. I used Instagram stories to show the process, TikTok to post a 15-second demo of a Notion dashboard in action, and a short Twitter thread to explain my one-day creation challenge. One quick hack: show your product solving a problem in real time. People don't just want to see what it looks like, they want to imagine themselves using it and getting results. Within hours, I got my first few sales. That's proof that speed and visibility often beat months of careful planning. Feedback and iteration are crucial. After the first wave of sales, I asked buyers, "What do you love? What would make this even better?" With just a few tweaks, one product went from decent to an absolute bestseller. Listening to buyers gives you real-time market research and helps improve your product instantly. Updates also give you a reason to re-engage your audience, which increases loyalty and long-term sales. Think of this as running a mini SaaS product without coding or customer support headaches. Automation is the secret to true passive income. Platforms like Gumroad handle payments, digital downloads, and even taxes automatically. I didn't have to manually email files or chase payments. Each product became a self-sustaining income engine. One day, I had 5 products earning money while I slept. That's the beauty of digital products. You create once and profit forever. Once you understand this system, you can repeat it weekly, monthly, or scale it into a full digital product business. Another key insight: results can come surprisingly fast. Within hours of launching, I started seeing sales notifications. Within the first 24 hours, revenue began to accumulate steadily. This isn't luck. It's the power of speed, simplicity, and solving real problems. You don't need a massive audience or a fancy website to start. The internet is a marketplace full of people looking for solutions, and your ideas can find buyers immediately if executed correctly. One final tip: storytelling sells. Don't just post a screenshot of your product, show transformation. Instead of "here's a weekly planner," say "here's a dashboard that turns chaos into calm," helping you track every task, habit, and goal without overwhelm. People buy emotion first, product second. The more your audience can see themselves benefiting, the higher your sales will be. So the main takeaway? You don't need months of planning, design expertise, or a huge audience to succeed. You need focus, clarity, and speed. Pick a niche, create value, use simple tools, and get your product in front of people as quickly as possible. The faster you launch, the faster you learn, iterate, and earn. Digital products are scalable. One creation can earn hundreds or thousands repeatedly without extra work. You're essentially building a small online business in a day. If this story inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal the exact 5 products I made in one day, how much each sold, and the step-by-step system so you can replicate it, even if you've never created a digital product before. Trust me, this could completely change the way you think about earning online.